This helps out a lot. I'm not big on pills, I just have a problem swallowing pills, even these little small ones, but anyways I feel my blood flow working so much better. That is one of my number one problems. A great multivitamin that covers all bases at a great price. I have stayed healthy longer and felt better since I started taking these vitamins. I recommend them to everybody. Doctor was impressed by the numbers at my recent review. All my numbers have lowered to normal. BP, weight, and many others are all better. The pre-packaged element for me to travel easier, only have to take the proper number of packages, not a whole bunch of bottles. Easy peasy. Excellent price. Good presentation. Easy to use. Thank you for these 30-day packs, and I buy them for my dad. So thanks again. I am taking my medicine metformin and it really didn't help my readings. I wanted some vitamins that would help my diabetes and not more medications with my doctor wanted to give me. I waited 30 days to see if it would help, and I notice a lower blood readings and of course eating right. I will continue buying the Diabetes Health Pack. Thank you Nature Made. June Etherson. This is so convenient, everything is pre-packaged and just ready to take, so I don't have to buy everything individually. Type 1 diabetic. I truly believe that these work, and since adding the vitamins I barely ever get sick and my blood sugar has been great. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.